So for today's video, I have my what I eat in a day because it was highly requested. And keep in mind, I did only eat pretty much brunch and dinner because my breakfast was more like a really big lunch for me, at least. Anyways, everything is meatless, so it's vegetarian friendly. For the most part, it's vegan friendly as well. I don't think I ate anything that was not vegan friendly, but I'll leave the ingredients and recipe down below in the description so you guys can check it out for yourselves. Alright, well, enjoy the video. For this particular recipe, you want to leave your liquids all in one small bowl and let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes. And then you want to get all your dry ingredients and you want to put that in a separate bowl, and eventually you'll actually mix it together. And this is pretty much when you can get creative, add cinnamon, add blueberries, I added chocolate chips, and also walnuts later on. And there you have it, there was my brunch vegan pancakes with some fruits and some coffee. And time for dinner, of course, my favorite meal of the night and my most favorite thing to eat as of lately, which is pretty much potato tacos with cauliflower and pretty much any veggie you can find. But pretty much all it takes for this recipe is just a bunch of veggies. For the cauliflower, personally, I like to bake them, but you can also steam it as well. All the other veggies, like the potatoes, the golden beets, I'm sorry, the golden beets, and all the other veggies you pretty much steam, but I like to bake the cauliflower. By the way, you want to let the harder veggies steam longer than like the potatoes and zucchini and squash because it takes longer, and then you want to add them in later. And for this last part is the salsa verde, which is very essential. And here you have it, my Taco Tuesday, at least my version of it. Okay, and this is pretty much where I stop editing because now my stomach's growling and I'm hungry. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed.